Hey, what's going on, guys? So today is a cold day. That's why we're doing the video right here in front of the space heater. This is just a little electric space heater. I'm currently having my heat fixed in my house. I haven't had heat yet, and it has been a cold fall, but hopefully it'll get fixed soon. But I have this in the meantime, which literally has to run for probably 6 or 8 hours to bring the temperature in the house from about 50 to 55. So that's my life lately. But anyway, the video is not on the space heater. It is actually on these Doritos. I'm just sitting in front of it because on the bottom there it's pumping out hot air, which feels mighty nice right now. This is actually pretty cool. I got this years and years and years ago. I want to say like 7 years ago, something like that, 8 years ago, who knows. Actually, I think it's even longer. It might have been about 10 years, but I want to say this thing was like 80 bucks. Pretty cool. It's got a little fake door here, and inside, you can't see it right now, but there's a control panel. You can adjust, you know, how fast the flames are going, exactly what the output is as well. Pretty neat. And for all you inquisitive minds, you're gonna be like, well, what's that other thing over there? That's a paper shredder. So anyway, so I saw these at the store, toasted corn, and I couldn't help think to myself, wouldn't that just be a Dorito with nothing on it? So I feel like that's what it is. I feel like these are plain Doritos with no seasoning, and someone in the marketing department had said, hey, why don't we'll sell a naked Dorito and we'll call it toasted corn, because that's what it is. It's corn chip, right? So, sitting in front of this little heater, which might get toasty, I'm gonna figure out the flavor on these guys. All right, so they're just yellow. Oh my god. That's literally what it smells like. It just smells like a bag of Tostitos or something. Just regular corn chips. That'd be hilarious if that's what this is. Alright, let's try one. So, regular Dorito. Broken, as usual. Now, let's see. There is a little bit of a powder on there, so it's not like it's completely dry. There might actually be a little flavoring. But let's go ahead and see what this tastes like. Nope. That is just salt. Wow. Alright, so I was right. Toasted corn Doritos are just naked Doritos. The only seasoning on here is salt. So, you know, if you see these in the store and you're thinking to yourself, wow, I gotta try those. Well, if you've ever had a, you know, tortilla chip, you've had these. Now, because it's Doritos brand, it does not taste any different to me. This could literally be Tostitos brand. It could be like a store name brand. This is just a corn chip with no seasoning except for salt. That is fascinating. Wow, look at the very short ingredients list. Corn, vegetable oil, right, which is corn, canola, and or sunflower oil, and salt. That is the shortest ingredients list I've ever seen on any chip. So there you go. That's a huge bummer, but I had to try it. I saw it, I passed it, I came back at the store, literally came back to grab them because I'm like, I gotta see, I gotta know. Life is too short to not know if the toasted corn Doritos are just plain Doritos, and they are. So yeah, let me know if you've had these before. Hilarious. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.